Warm greetings to you. My name is Dr. Joseph M. Munyua. Today we are dealing with the meaning of a comparative study. A comparative study is a form of investigation or research that is over 2,000 years old. Typically, by its very nature, a comparative research is comparative. Therefore, it is geared towards investigating the involved two or more things and therein explaining something about the said things. For instance, the aforesaid investigation and explanation may include the researcher's attempt to show how the involved two or more things relate to each other. Simply put, therefore, a comparative research entails the act of comparing two or more things with the aim of discovering something about one or all of the things being compared. Therefore, said something may be the discovered relationship, differences, or similarities between the involved things. As a result, someone seeks to carry out a comparative analysis of two or more subjects, events, objects, or ideas in a comparative study. Essentially, in a comparative study, the intended readership strives to find out the researcher's ability to compare, contrast, understand, and explain the involved two or more subjects, events, objects, or ideas. Additionally, depending on the nature of the involved comparative study, the same readership may strive to examine the researcher's ability to clearly demonstrate the involved relationship or relationships. Experimental studies are a special example of a comparative study where a sample of participants may be divided into two, and each group is identified and assigned to different conditions for a particular period of time, after which the said two groups are compared for differences. Generally, a comparative study is a form of research that involves the researcher's attempt to compare and contrast, understand, and explain the involved two or more things, and if necessary and doable, demonstrate the involved relationship or relationships therein. It is in this context that a comparative study is described as a type of research that seeks to explain what the relation is between two or more subjects, events, objects, or ideas by means of comparing and contrasting the involved things. In that vein, the key terms in a comparative study may be as follows: two or more things, comparing, contrasting, understanding, explaining, and demonstrating the relationship. Depending on the nature of one's comparative study, the involved comparative analysis can employ either a quantitative research methodology or a qualitative research methodology. However, in a mixed research, a researcher should use a quantitative research methodology and a qualitative research methodology. Thank you for your time. Kindly subscribe to this academic YouTube channel. Bye for now.